What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shampoo again, back with another video. And if you haven't been to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'm kind of doing this video on really special requests from a subscriber. He goes by the name of Lily, the Service Chihuahua. I know it's a weird name, but he loves the dog, so hey, gotta love it. But today I'm going to show you how to clean your boar bristle brush. Now try saying that 3 times fast. And tools I'll be using is the brush, this little mini brush right here. Now these come in like, if you buy like a clipper set, these normally come with the clipper set. Probably get these at like your beauty supply store, or I don't know where else, like Sally's, probably Walmart if you really look for it, Target, all them places. And also I'm using the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I cannot talk today, I don't know why. But this is a very versatile product. You can wash your clothes, wash your body, wash your dishes, wash your house, car. You can do so much with this product. It's very versatile. You can also use a good beard wash or shampoo to clean your brush. And pretty much you're just already like ran the water. And you can either do it in a sink or in a bowl. And I already got warm water ready. And what you do is, and you can kind of see like the skin build up, like all the dead skin, the oil, the balm build up on the bottom. And you can see all that down there. And over time it just builds up because you're exfoliating your skin every time you brush your beard. So, but you can see, yeah, that's not really very appealing, as you can see. And you dip your brush in there, and you just, like, I know I'm making a mess in the sink, I'm gonna get killed. And you just get down there along that bottom part where you see all that dirt and grime and all the dead skin cells and the oil and the balms build up, and you just scrub it. And this is nothing, like, I'm not doing nothing special. I've seen Gray Bailey do a video. I'm quite sure there's other videos out on YouTube that's doing this. This is not really nothing new. It's just, I'm just doing this like really on a special request, because like I said, I'm here for you guys. Like, that's why I do these videos. I do this because it's fun. Because it's just, I enjoy doing this. And you just get down there and then you really gotta kind of loosen up them hairs. And you can kind of see it. And sometimes you might have to soak it in there. Yeah, I know it's kind of a pain to do all this, but you have to think about all the money you're investing in all these products. And, you know, the beard oils, the brushes, the combs. And I'm sorry, I'm not a very rich man, so hey, I want my products to last. I want them to, you know, have longevity. So get down in there. Now you could do it with the Dr. Bronner soap, like I was saying, or you can use the beard wash. You put it on there, put a little bit, and just scrub in there and get in there. And as for like the plastic combs, like the Kent combs, that's pretty much like a simple, like, run it underwater, rinse, and wipe it off, and it's good to go. But you just want to get in there, and to loosen up any of the hairs that are in the middle, what you can do is you can use a little comb like your Kent comb, like this size, and you just get up in there to get all them hairs out. I'm probably making a mess all on the lens and everywhere, but and you loosen up the hairs, like hair right there, and get all them hairs out. yeah, like I said, I was just really doing this video on special requests. I'm not really doing nothing special. It's just pretty much it just gets you a good shampoo or Dr. Bronner's or a good cleanser you're comfortable with. The thing about Dr. Bronner's is really eco-friendly if you're really into the environment and all that stuff. So yeah, this is a good wash or a good cleanser and you know, beard wash. But you just get up in there, loosen up them hairs, and that's pretty much just that. And then once you get done cleaning it, you just like dry it off the best way you can and let it air dry. But you want to get down in that bottom part and loosen up all them dead skin cells that been accumulating on the bottom from, you know, brushing. I don't really use my brush that much anymore because I'm afraid of over brushing, to be honest. And you can see it's kind of getting kind of clean. You know, I just got to keep going at it. I don't want this video to be like too long because I don't want to, you know, I don't want to lull y'all to sleep. So yeah, just get under there. And then once you get done, just rinse it off. Like, you know, get in there, rinse it off, and it's getting clean. Like, you can kind of see, like, it getting loosened up on the bottom. I'm going, oh my God, oh, she's gonna kill me. But you can see it's getting clean over here. And like I said, I give credit where it's due. I got this from like really a special request from another, you know, subscriber, or a subscriber from by the name of Lily, the Service Chihuahua. I learned this off of Great Bailey. And yeah, this is just basically how you clean your boar bristle brush. And you can do your combs the same way, like your wooden comb. Thing with wooden combs, get you like, you know, run your, you know, your sink full of water, warm water, put your soap in there, and you just let them soak. You just put them in there and let them soak for however long you want them to soak. Then once you get them out, you just dry them off and let them air dry. And yeah, with that, I'm gonna let you soak for a little bit anyway. But with that, I hope this video was helpful for any inspiring beardsmen or people starting their journeys, or, you know, just people, you know, who are veterans. So I hope this video helped y'all. Yeah, and with that, I'm gonna sum up this video. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Hey, you know, comment down below. Let me know if it worked for you, if it didn't, or, you know, I don't, you know, just let me know if it worked or if you tried it. And with that, I'm out.